Cannot change password on Albert Wealth fix. If you've been trying to change your password on Albert Wealth and nothing seems to happen, don't panic. This issue is actually more common than you might think. The surprising truth is that Albert uses multiple layers of authentication between your main account and any connected banks or investment accounts, which can make password management a little confusing. Here's how to fix it quickly. If you want to change your Albert login password, the one you use to sign into the app, open the Albert app, tap on your profile icon, then go to Security or Password. From there, select Change Password. You'll need to verify your identity via text or email before setting a new one. But if you're trying to change the password for one of your linked banks or brokerage accounts within Albert Wealth, that has to be done directly through your financial institution. Once you've changed your bank's password, return to the Albert app, go to Accounts, and refresh the connection. If Albert shows a connection failed message, tap Reconnect and log in using your new credentials. This refreshes the secure link that Albert uses to fetch your account data. Albert doesn't store or manage your external passwords. It uses encrypted access tokens to keep your information safe. That's why changes must happen at the source, not in the Albert app. So, if you can't change your password on Albert Wealth, don't stress. Update your credentials through your bank for linked accounts or directly in the app for your main Albert login. In just a few steps, you'll have everything secured, synced, and running smoothly again.